Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do aggregate IPSEC tunnels. So what basically happens in aggregate IPSEC tunnels, we are going to form a single site-to-site IPSEC tunnel with this link, first link, and the second IPSEC tunnel will be formed from this second link. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will aggregate the interface. Basically we will combine them, and after combining them we will there are multiple load balancing algorithms like which channel should be used, or it should be like round robin method, L2 L3 method, redundant method. So that we are going to learn in this series. Okay, so I'll start with the configuration. From today's videos I will show you from scratch how to configure FortiGate firewall for the geo access. And config system interface, and then port 1, set mode static, set ID 192.168.0.110, okay, and slash 24. Set allow access HTTPS, HTTP, SSH, telnet, ping. Now I will get the geo access. Similarly, I will configure the second FortiGate firewall. Process is same. Password is 123. You can have your own customized password. Slash 24. Set to allow access. And now I will take the geo. This firewall. I will give your name as site1. Okay. Similarly here, so before proceeding, I will show you the configuration done on these routers. So for end-to-end reachability, I have done some configuration. You can just check it. And IP, the static routes. Okay, because I'm not running any BGP or any other routing protocol here. So this segment should be able to reach to this segment. So I've given the next hop over here, and similarly this segment should be able to reach to this segment. I've given the next hop over here. Now I'll proceed with the next. Similarly, you guys are smart enough, so I don't think I should show you, but then also I'm showing you guys. We'll proceed with FortiGate. I will configure them. Here the IP is in .1.2.1 and also .1.1. Okay. I'll go into the interfaces first. Okay, port 2. Port 2 is WAN 1. I will give it this as WAN 1. FortiGate 1.1.2. Sorry. Okay. Here it will be 60.1.1.1. Yeah. Now I will give static routes for this, the reachability of this IP subnets. The next stop will be 40.1.1.2, which is the ISP router IP. It will automatically take over here. Similarly, I will give for this reachability 62.1.1.2. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll similarly do the configuration on this router as well. After that, we will proceed towards the IPsec. Okay, that will be good for your understanding as well. Okay, this interface is remaining port 4. I will do that as well on router. This is the LAN. /24 HTTPS DHCP server relay will be 20.1.1.2, which is the IP of this DHCP server. And here we have created the DHCP scope for this LAN segment. We are having the same topologies in my FortiGate series. Now I will configure this router. I will give it as first. I will configure the LAN because I forget it. That's why. LAN 20.1.1/24. Similarly, this port 2 and port 3 70.1.1.1 and 1. Okay, 80. Now I will give static routes, and after that we will check the reachability. So this video is going to be quite lengthy as compared to my another videos. Hope you guys will like it. Similarly, reachability for 64/24, which will be 80. Let's check. Now we will check the end-to-end reachability. I will go into the FortiGate. So that router K4 routing table of okay. Execute ping towards 70.1.1. We are able to reach. Similarly for 80, I will check. End-to-end reachability is established. Now I will check from the second firewall. Obviously it will work because if this FortiGate is able to reach, that will also we'll be able to reach this FortiGate because obviously we are having the return traffic as well. Okay, so this is done. Now we will start our actual configuration, which is IPsec. Go into VPN IPsec wizard. Okay, and here you will go and you will say I will give it a name as VPN 1. Okay, and I will make it as customized. After that, I will give the remote IP, which will be 70.1.1. This IP or this 48. Okay, interface will be WAN. Okay, after that, it is recommended to keep the dead pair retry interval as 5, so I will keep it as 5. Okay, and here it's aggregate member. Yeah, so this is the game changer in today's videos. We have to call it as an aggregate member. Okay, and other else I will proceed. What is the pre-shared key? I will keep it as simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I will keep it as main mode only, not in aggressive mode. And DS and SHA1. Okay, I'll keep Defi element group as only 14, and after that I'll create this as our local subnet, which is this one. Sorry, just 24. Okay, go into advanced proposal as well, same DS and SHA1. Here also it will should be disabled Defi element group, and auto negotiate, and I'll click on OK. Similarly, I will create the second IPSEC tunnel, which will be named as VPN2. I'll give it 10 seconds. It should be 80 to 25. And it will be port 3 because I'm considering this one. Keep it as same. Okay, it's recommended to be 5. Aggregate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check if it's proper. Yeah, it's proper. And I will keep this as dash SHA. And here it should be reversed. 24 and okay, SHA and auto negotiate. Okay. Now what we will do, we will create an aggregate tunnel. Okay, so I will give it as name as a simple aggregate. Okay, so this is the methods. Like in the starting of the video I was talking about the various algorithms, weighted, round robin, L3, L4. So today I will just explain you basic one because this is a first video. I will explain you redundant. Okay, so redundant means the name itself says only one tunnel at a time will be active. Okay, if another goes down, then that if the first one goes down, then only the second one will come up. So I will add a member VPN1, similarly VPN2. Okay, so this is how our tunnel is created. Now what I'll do, I will create firewall policies. I will give from LAN to IPSEC. I will give it as link port for it, which I want to it as port for yeah. And outgoing will be aggregate. Source will be, hold on, I'm getting a call. Yes. So it will be all over here, and similarly destination will be also all. If you want, you can create it, but I am not recommending as of now. NAT should be disabled over here because our traffic is not going over internet. It is a site-to-site communication. Okay, so we don't need a NAT, and that's all. Similarly, bidirectional communication should be also developed. So we will create a second policy, which should be the incoming direction from IPSEC to LAN. and now here also NAT should be disabled all sessions. Okay, and we are done with the firewall policy configuration. Now we will give a static route. Okay, that if you want to reach to this location, you should use the aggregate tunnel. I will give it as a name as what should I give? 20.1.1.0/24, and I will give it as name. Gateway will be this one, not automatically. Okay. Now we are done with the configuration. Now we will proceed towards the next firewall. Similar configuration over here. So I'll be quiet now. I'll just do the configuration. Okay. Interfaces are done. Where is IPSEC wizard? IPSEC tunnels. IPSEC wizard is over here. VPN 1. 40.1.1. Let me keep it over here. Okay, aggregate member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just hold on. I think I have done one configuration mistake, but I'm just suspecting it. But let me check it. First, I will finish this. Negotiate. Yeah. See. Should be 10 and 20. Okay. Sometimes it happens. Please understand. Yeah, like this. Okay, now it's correct. Similarly, VPN 2. Okay, it should be 60.1.1.1. Okay, should be WAN 3. Check here. Sorry. After negotiate. Okay, now I will create an aggregate file. Aggregate redundant, like here only. Yeah, it's redundant. Tunnel will be VPN 1, similarly it will be VPN 2. Now I'll create security policies. LAN to IPSEC. Support for check. Yeah, IP, our aggregate is coming up. See, our IPSEC is up now. IPSEC to land right, so it should be port 4, right? Port 4. But then also some things are remaining. We have to give a static route and everything. So I will give that as well. 0/24. Gateway will be aggregate. Okay. Just check into the FortiGate CLI first. Okay, 10.3 is directly connected. Yeah, aggregate. Similarly, I'll go to C. It's directly connected. Now what I'll do the testing. We will first go into the dashboard and I'll go to IPSEC monitor. IPSEC is up, no doubt in it. But as per our concept, only one VPN tunnel is done because we are using the redundant load balancing algorithm. Now we will do the testing. This let me bring up this server. I think it was up only. It's not. So I will check IP DHCP binding. Okay. Nothing is there over here. If you want to see the configuration over here, you can see I have configured this Cisco router as a DHCP server. Okay, this is our IP DHCP pool. Now we will do the testing whether our DORA process is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Let me check if we are able to reach this next the far end IP application, which is our server. Yeah, we are able to reach. I will give it a continuous ping from here and let me check the packet flow, how it is working. It will be a new experience for me as well. So this is the command which you use: get router info routing table log. Oh, not get system session list. See, our system got this IP 10.1.1.2, okay, and is able to connect with 20.1.1.2. Okay, so in such case, NAT is not happening. You guys can see because we have disabled. It's just a site-to-site VPN. Okay. So it's continuously communicating. We'll just stop the ping and well, let's do one testing. What I'll do, I'll bring this down, okay, and let's see what happens. Let me give a continuous ping. I'll bring down. Let's just select this. Okay. Okay. It's not working. Not sure why. But basically, what happens if this IP tunnel, IPsec tunnel goes down? This should take over. what we will do, we will shut this ISP links, okay, from this and this, so that obviously it will not be able to communicate. R3 go, so that our second tunnel will come up. Shut. Similarly, this one, and now I will check, okay, what happens. Second VPN. Yeah, you guys can see, but this should not happen because from year to year the reachability is there. Okay, I think it's trying to pinging all the APs. That's why the first segment should be also up. The WAN segment. I'm talking about the WAN segment, not talking about the IPsec tunnels. That's why it's not doing the proper failover. Our traffic is now will be dropping completely. It's getting dropped. I will unshut it. Yeah, you guys can see we are back now. Communication is established. So what happens basically over here? Only one tunnel can be active at a time. Okay, if first one goes down, the second one will be in the master action, come in the action. It will become active. So that's how it works. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.